Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a video Substack. So, Substack has made it easier than ever to publish and share video content. So, let's walk through the video step by step. Um, First, you have to open Substack page. Then you have to log in your account. Once you are in the left side, you can see the plus icon. By click on that, you have to choose video post that you are sharing visual contents instead of regular article or podcast episode. By click on the setting file, you are able to upload your video. This will open your file explorer where you can select the video and upload it. Once your video uploads, it's time to add some details. Start with compiling titles, something that clear and engaging that tell your audience what your video is about. So once our video is uploaded, now we have to add title. So I'm adding this title. The next step is to add subtitles. This is your space where you build curiosity or share an extra hook. So you can add here your subtitles. Then after here you can write a description that gives more background or explain what viewers can expect. So here can write description. So the next you have to customize your post. On the right side you will see a setting panel. You can go on that and here you can see uh, you can set this by your need. So if you have to turn on the paid subscription, you can click on that and you can change the setting. Allow comments, older comments by, you can change this by your need. The next step is to add tags. You can add tags here like new video. So by this you can customize your post. Then the next thing is to preview. So in the top right side, you can see here a preview button. By this, you can check your post before posting. If it is okay, then you can click on done and then continue. So so now you can see in the right side, you can see you send to everyone now to publish your video, and just like that, your video is live on Substack. So if you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.